Hello kids! Today I will teach you a very interesting chapter from GK of class 5. And the chapter name is Yog Asan, chapter 3. Do you know children what is yoga? योगा किसे कहते हैं? योगा क्या है? योगा क्या करता है? योगा कीप्स अस फिट एंड हेल्दी. ये हमें हेल्दी और फिट रखता है. इट मेक्स आवर बॉडी फ्लेक्सिबल. ये हमारे बॉडी को बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल रखता है. ईच पोजिशन इन योगा इज कॉल्ड आसन. योगा की हर एक पोजीशन, जो हम योगा की पोजीशंस करते हैं, उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? आसन. Let's have a look on some benefits of yoga. Kids, some benefits of yoga are: it increased flexibility, increased muscle strength and tone. It improved respiration, energy and vitality. It maintains a balanced metabolism. It reduces weight. It helps in cardio and circulatory health. It improved athletic performance. It helps from the protection of injury. These are some benefits, physical benefits of yoga. Children, please write down these benefits in your GK copy. Let's have a look on some Yoga Asan. This is called Sukhasana. Sukhasana. Sukhasana postures eliminate stress and anxiety. It induces calmness of mind. It improves blood circulation in your hips, legs, spine, back and pelvis area, and helps digestive organs. As you can see in this picture, the girl is doing Sukhasana. Children, do try it in your home. It will help you to improve blood circulation. Includes hips, legs, spine, back, pelvis area, and also helps digestive organs. Sukhasana. Let's have a look on other yogasan. This is called Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana. What is its benefits, kids? It improves the blood circulation to the spinal nerves. It reduces weight. It improves digestive system. It improves and make muscles stronger. It also cures constipation. It improves the function of the pancreas. As you can see in this picture, kids, this girl is doing Dhanurasana. It is one of the main yoga asana. Let's proceed further. Children, do try it in your home. Other position of Yogasana is Shavasana. As you can see in this picture, it helps to meditate. It relaxes and calms the body. It reduces blood pressure and anxiety. It improves concentration and memory. It increases levels of energy. These are the benefits of Shavasana. Let's have a look on another asana. This is Padmasana. It stretches the ankles and knees. It calms the brain. It also calms the brain, kids. You must do this asana at your home. It keeps the spine straight. These are the benefits of Padmasana. It also helps develop good postures. It also helps keep joint and ligaments flexible. Now come to Vajrasana. Vajrasana, it helps to relieve constipation and strengthens lower back, legs and thigh. Do try at your home, kids. Let's have a look on another asana, that is Tadasana. This asana is called Tadasana. It makes your spine agile. It helps in increasing the flexibility of your ankles, thighs and joints. It can tone your hips and abdomen and helps to gain control over your muscular movements. What are the benefits of Tadasana, kids? It makes your spine agile. It helps in increasing the flexibility of your ankle, thigh and joints. It can tone your hips and abdomen, and it helps to gain control over your muscular movement. Now come to another asana, that is Gomukhasana. Gomukhasana, it provides power to your ankle, thighs, shoulders, armpit, chest, deltoid and triceps. It relieves chronic knee pain. It strengthens your spine and abdominal musculars. Do try at your home, kids. Now come to Trikonasana. As the girl is doing, do try at your home. It helps our body to relieve gastric indigestion, acidity and flatulence. The triangle pose, done by bending your body to either sides simultaneously, improves the flexibility of the spine and elevates backage to a very extent. As you can see, kids, the girl is doing Trikonasana. It is very beneficial asana. Do try at your home and tell your other family members to do so. Trikonasana. Now let's have a look on our another asana, that is Halasana. This position is called Halasana. It calms the brain, stimulates the abdominal organs and the thyroid gland. It stretches the shoulders and spine. It helps to relieve the symptoms of menopause. It also reduces stress and fatigue. It is one of the difficult asana but very important asana. Now last, Naukasana. It strengthens the abdominal muscles muscles of the arms, thighs, and shoulders. It improves the health of all the organs in the abdomen, especially the especially the liver, pancreas, and kidney. It helps in regulating blood sugar at sugar level. If your father or mother is having sugar, then let them try this asana. These all are the benefits of yoga. So children, practice yoga at your home every day and keep your health fit and fine. Thanks for watching, kids. Please do like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope you have understood this chapter very well and practice these yogas at your home and tell your parents to do so also. Thanks for watching, kids.